Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove this watermark from Windows. As you can see here, they want you to activate your operating system. I'm going to show you how to remove it completely from your desktop. So we are going to start. First thing you're gonna have to do is to go to your registry. So you have to press on the Windows logo on your keyboard +R. Type residue. So you press enter or you click on OK. Let's make these windows bigger. So from here you click local machine. How to expand it. You come on system, you click on current control. You click on services. So you have to scroll down okay, you find this SVSVC. From here you right click on start. Here then I have to click on modify, and then you change this value to 4. You click OK, and we're going to close it. After that you're gonna have to restart your computer. When you restart your computer, you will see this watermark will be gone. As you can see, the watermark is gone. It's no longer here. Okay, so this is how you remove the Windows watermark from your desktop. I hope this video will help someone who is in it. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Ciao.